There are only two approaches to looking younger. The first approach to looking young involves an outside-in approach, while the second approach, on the contrary, focuses on an inside-out approach. Many people are fixated on the first approach to appear younger externally, using various face creams, wrinkle treatments, lotions, and even resorting to surgery. Let's delve into the second approach of rejuvenating from within to look youthful externally. The most significant factor affecting aging processes is oxidation and damage from free radicals. Oxidation refers to certain areas of the body essentially rusting under the influence of oxygen and being damaged by free radicals. Due to excessive oxidation and insufficient protection in the form of antioxidants, oxidative stress occurs, which is directly related to aging. Balancing this system by increasing antioxidant levels greatly protects you from oxidation and damage caused by free radicals. As you know, oxidation is caused by other factors such as smoking, alcohol, air pollution, medications, and so on. But here's the interesting part. The longevity of people varies in different places. For example, in Sardinia, people living in the mountains live much longer than those living at sea level, and there's an interesting article about it. It talks about men living in the mountains of Sardinia. They smoke a lot. Logically, they should die at 50 or 60, but they live over 100 years. The thing is, they smoke a lot, but they consume a lot of antioxidants, and part of these antioxidants they get from cheese. Since they're goats, and sheep feed on grass that grows in the mountains, which contains a lot more antioxidants, and these antioxidants transfer into the milk, from which they make cheese, which these people eat, despite smoking. Not to mention the antioxidants in their other food and their lifestyle. If you eat junk and poor quality food but do something that compensates for the damage it causes, that's probably why you'll live much longer. So, if you have enough antioxidants to fight oxidation, you'll be in better shape. To increase antioxidant levels, it's beneficial to consume meat from animals that have been fed fresh grass or, even better, a variety of plants, rather than those fed only grains and antibiotics. This is because their meat contains significantly fewer beneficial nutrients, while nutrients better protect us from various harmful factors. Comparing the level of antioxidants in beef from eco-farms to beef from other farms. Animals that move a lot due to the absence of flat land contain many times more antioxidants and beneficial nutrients. And if you travel to Europe, let's say to France or Italy, they make cheese from the milk of sheep that feed on various mountain herbs, and such cheese provides better protection for us. Another thing is that these phytonutrients have an epigenetic effect on our bodies, similar to workouts. During exercise, we damage the body, which forces it to adapt and become stronger. The same applies to therapies involving cold, heat, and fasting. Endogenous antioxidants, which the body creates itself, can be obtained in various ways, for example, by consuming antioxidants from cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, or radishes. They not only replenish our antioxidant reserves, but also activate our genes and enzymes controlled by these genes to produce antioxidants. The main thing to remember is, the more antioxidants you have, the better. You can also flush out toxins through the liver. Because for the skin to be in good condition and look young, a good detoxification system is needed to prevent the accumulation of toxic waste, and for this, a healthy liver is necessary. In all people whose liver is in poor condition, the skin is bad, it does not look healthy. So to remove toxins, it is necessary to activate the autophagy mechanism. Autophagy is a process in which the body begins to break down damaged cells and the damaged contents of cells to create new cells from them. Autophagy can also help us look younger, and the opposite of this is frequent food intake and a diet high in sugar, grains, and heavily processed foods, which inhibits autophagy. Another important factor for maintaining youthfulness is the level of beneficial cholesterol. Cholesterol serves a purpose, namely to help produce hormones, and is also necessary for creating cell membranes. People who take statins, which block cholesterol, or consume low amounts of saturated fats because they've been told to replace them with unsaturated fats, are making perhaps the biggest mistake in history. Good fats for cholesterol production include omega-3 fats found in fish oil, sardines, salmon, and cod liver oil. These products not only contain omega-3, but also vitamin D, along with vitamin A, which are extremely important for improving the condition of the skin both externally and internally. Another excellent source of vitamin A is egg yolks and their precursor, alpha-lipoic acid. Another factor in maintaining youthfulness is sunlight. Excessive sun exposure can make people look older, especially if they get sunburned. If you're in the sun and develop a light tan that's not too intense, it's normal and won't age your skin. Being in the sun, which we need, also exposes us to infrared light, which accounts for over half of solar radiation. Infrared light is extremely beneficial for the skin. It penetrates about 5 centimeters into the body and, by entering the body, increases melatonin levels, which are not only necessary for sleep but also a powerful antioxidant. Therefore, light is beneficial for the skin if not overdone. Now you know the secret to looking younger. It's time to implement this method. Thanks for watching until the end. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.